Hey YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Today I'm going to go ahead and lubricate my front coil springs. Not too long ago I did a video on changing the sleeves on the springs because I was getting some spring noise and everything quieted down really nice. And a couple days later it came back. So today I'm going to use, you got it, Get Some 1000 Supreme Lubricant. Get a close look. Here it is. Okay, and on top of that I'm going to use some non-stick Teflon after I put on the Get Some 1000. The reason for that is neither one of them attract dirt, but silicone really does not attract dirt. It keeps the dirt away. It does have no oil in it. It has no grease in it. It has no silicone in it. Okay, neither one of them has silicone in it. So I'm going to put these on those front springs, pop the car up on some jack stands, and let's get after it. Alright, we got the car jacked up. We got our lubricants here ready, and I'll show you exactly where we're going to be putting it. I'm going to put it along the bottom here, the bottom hat here, and also I'm going to put it up here on top. So I'm going to put you guys on a tripod so you can watch. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put it right here on the bottom. We're going to use the old Get Some 1000 first. You put it on the hat and on the spring and inside the sleeve. So now if we do the top part, believe it or not, these springs are soft enough to where if you look at this, I can depress this by hand enough to separate it at the top to get that Teflon up inside there. Really nice. Even on the bottom. See, I can lift that up a bit when the car is jacked up. Okay, get it in there really nice. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my trusty Teflon in there so that it can work its way into the crevices. Squirt this a little bit. Work its way into the crevices and keep all that sound down without attracting dirt. The right side we're gonna do the same way we did the left. Get it all around the edge of the bottom and squeeze the spring, lift it up to get it underneath, squeeze it, load it up top really good so that the spring doesn't make any noise. And then I'm going to put a little bit of my Teflon on top of that, like that. This is DuPont Teflon non-stick, so you don't attract dirt. Get that all over that spring and sleeve and bushing on top. And hopefully this quiets them down. Now we're going to go for a test drive. Alright guys, let's go for a ride and see if she has stopped squeaking. Let's see where you'll be sitting. You guys are going to be sitting right there. You see that GoPro? That's right, GoPro baby. You'll be sitting there as a passenger, and we're going to do a test drive, see if those springs stop squeaking, and then maybe we'll do a pull. Move in the front of it, see if we can get away with it. Alright guys, let's fire it up. Alright. Let's see if this little guy squeaks. Now, you shouldn't have to strain to hear it squeak. It was really loud. You would hear it very well. So if you don't hear anything when I go over this curb here, it didn't squeak. So let's see what we got. See, I'm turning. I used to hear it all the time. I'm turning the wheel, I'm turning. See, we have it. Nothing. Beautiful. That is beautiful. All right, so let's check out this nice, beautiful day here. See if we can find some place to do something naughty, like a little pull or something. Do some more turns, some nice sharp turns, and see if these springs squeak. They were popping and grabbing, and see, we go up on the curb here again. See. Look at that. Nothing. Quiet. Let's do it again. Look at that. Oh, I love that quietness. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. One more. Oh, look at that. Nothing. Sweet. So, let's sneak around here on the back. There's a little road back here. And we can do a quick little pull. Hand out the shell. See how it feels. Oh, yeah. I love feeling boost. I'm going to set up another one of my my GoPros because I'm going GoPro crazy now. I'm so excited about these little cameras. They're so cool. And I'm going to set it up so you can see the boost gauge. I'm going to start setting up my GoPro so you can see all kinds of stuff. And editing things in and editing things out. But as we approach this stop sign here and make this right-hand turn, we're going to do a pull. If there's nobody coming. Let's see. Nobody's in our way. Okay, so we're gonna go first, and then we're gonna go Yahoo! Okay, whoa, yeah, baby. Woohoo! And look at the bars. That's right. Woohoo! I hope you enjoyed it, because I sure did. And that is how we fix squeaky spring.